how to calculate operating profit in dollar sign in Excel sheets. So let's see this. We need to do this for the company WRK for years 1, 2, 3. So this is the total revenue. We will put it here. This is the operating profit. Okay. So I will compute it here. Equal. And here we will select total revenue minus three columns, the cost of revenue plus the sales and general and admin costs plus other operating items costs. So this will be operating profit. Okay, if we need to complete for the second and third year, it's very easy. Thanks for watching this video. If there is any question, don't hesitate to ask this question and I will reply you in the comment or in a special video.